Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us, thank you so much for choosing to stop by and check us out. If you are returning, thank you very much for coming back and checking us out. Now, either way, if you're currently not subscribed, go on and hit the subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, today is time to unbox March's BOXYLUXE, okay? This one is an interesting shape to the box, much different than what we're used to. However, it's full, it's heavy. Let's check it out. All right. So we're going to go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Now, I've already cut the tape, so I didn't have to spend time doing that. And the first thing that we get when we open the box is our lovely description card. Lave and Rose. Okay, now I'm going to go based on what's on the top of the box, not what's first on the card. All right, and the first, y'all know, I already know most of the stuff that's here. I just don't know the shades of what we have because I gave you full spoilers previously, and I will link that in the card right above. Okay, so of course the first thing is the BOXYLUXE BoxyCharm train case. Okay, and you open it up and it says BoxyCharm on the inside. See that right there? Nice little silky feel. And it's quite deep. This is a nice size. Okay. Alright. Now, according to our description card, this says this is the BoxyCharm train case. Just another perk of being a charmer. Okay, manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $20. Okay, then the next product on the top is by Iconic. All right, and this is the eyebrow cushion. I'm very, very excited to try this. So, who knows, might even try it out this evening. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. I'm telling you, the packaging on this was beautiful. Oh, and as I'm opening it, the description card says the Iconic eyebrow cushion give your brows the wow they deserve with Iconic's Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. The innovative 2-shade liquid brow compact allows for fuller looking brows with half of the effort. The highly pigmented liquid formula glides on effortlessly, while the angled brush makes for precise application each time. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $40. And yes, it does come with the mirror. Okay, and this is the little spoolie brush. Oh, look at that. Very compact because it folds away. See? And it clicks, so you know that it is closed tight. And then you just pop the cushion open like that. Thank God it's still covered until we're ready to use it. So when I do use it for the first time, we will make it a point to do so with you so that you can see it. Okay, and that is item number 2. I'm a little upset already because I got fingerprints all over it. Okay, and the next item. Now, if you remember, I did emphasize to everyone in previous video, same one that's going to be linked up here yet again, to make sure you filled out your quiz so that you would be sure to get the right one. Now, not happy about this part, but I do love the way in which Joe handled it. Okay, now I'm telling all of y'all to make sure you do the quiz. I did mine. I made sure my mom did hers, and my daughter-in-law, and your subbies. I made sure everybody did theirs. And yet, the one that I have is not for my skin tone. Joe said there was a glitch. And so with it being a glitch, this is the perfect compact for someone who needs light. Now, of course, I can use these shades for something else, but for once, I was really very excited to be able to use something for what it was actually designed for. Not the case. However, this is the Perfector Face Palette. Okay, and okay, I'm just going to read it off the description card. I'm just not very happy about this. It says 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly compact palette. Okay? The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. Manufacturer suggested retail price $45. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm going to try to exchange it with someone else who may need the light and have gotten dark. So now, I said to you, I do like the way Joe handled it. Well, he sent us a message, and in the message it said he apologized. There was a glitch, and under normal circumstances he would just replace the palette, but there aren't any more, so he can't. So he put 4,200 charms in our charm room. So check yours so that I can go into the charm room and choose something else. I was really looking forward to this, and like I said, I will be checking around to see if maybe one of the people who kind of close with me may have gotten a shade that needs to be exchanged with mine. So we'll see what happens with that, and I will let you know. Okay, and the next item that we have, motor brushes, y'all. And the description card says the 2 brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and 2-tone synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. They are extremely soft. Extremely soft. Very nice, very nice. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for these, $29. So that's for the motor set. Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Okay. This says, containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $34. The next product that we have by the company Lily Lashes, and these are really beautiful. They are. Why is my box torn? Okay, sorry. Has nothing to do with the product inside. And this says add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with this new limited edition faux mink gala pair of lily lashes. And when you take good care of them, they can be used up to 20 times. Okay, manufacturer suggested retail price on these $24.99. They're very pretty. The next item is something we've been hearing so much about. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. It's developed with plastic surgeons. Confidence in a Cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizer, perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. The quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin in moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $48. I'll put just a little dab on. It just feels amazing. That's for sure. The next product in the box is by Deborah Lipman. This is the nail polish duo. Bring the nail salon home. Here's that color. That is very pretty. Let's see how quickly it dries. Okay, and so we have the two-piece set in the color Modern Love and O'Donna. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for the two is $20. All right, moving right along. And the next item is by the company Becca. This is that Ultimate Lipstick Love, a moisturizing 8-hour-long wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $24. This is a beautiful packaging. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. The shade that I have, I'm in love. This is beautiful. Oh, it's extremely moisturizing and it is beautiful. Look at that. Yes. Okay. It's got that magnetic top on it, y'all. The last item is the 15 series of the Morphe palette. Remember we talked about that? I know you remember. Okay, I received 15D. And this is the Day Slayer palette. And of course, you know, as we stated before, the gigantic mirror. And here are my colors. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch a couple. And here are our swatches. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Indulge in infinite eye looks. This mirrored palette features 15 crazy, creamy, powerfully pigmented shades so you can mix, match, and blend the rules. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $16. price. Okay, and I will give you a grand total below of the manufacturer suggested retail price of the box as a whole. Okay, and this is just beautiful. I am impressed. I'm just hoping for the day when there will be no mix-ups at all. I know I might be asking for a lot, but BoxyCharm, it's been a little bit of a challenge, you know, each go round. But I'm telling you, Joe, you're a class act, man. I really appreciate the way in which you handled this situation. I do hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.